Hello Plant Savages, what is going on? Welcome back to Plant Geezer Coaching. Off the cuff, coached, cooked, delivered, your personal coach and personal chef. So I'm currently cutting weight, and this is a little trick to keep the calories low and trick yourself, which is what I do quite often in order to push the calories to the back of the day or the back of the week. Because everyone knows if you eat early, you're going to regret it, and then you want to eat on the night and you're thinking, oh, my calories, I can't go over. So this is just a little tip and trick to help. This is what I do quite often. So I've come in, first meal of the day, and I automatically want to put a piece of protein toast in the toaster, cover it in hummus, have a bit of avocado out the fruit bowl, put some salad on it, and eat it with tempeh or tofu. That is going to give me a lot of calories for a lot of protein, but it's not worth it. So what I'm going to do is put a scoop of protein in there. By the way, I've just cooked some tempeh in the air fryer. That's ready to come out. I'm going to trick myself to keep my calories low. I'm just starting to feel quite shredded now, and you can see that bit coming through there, so it's feeling nice. The motivation is high, so I'm like, yeah, let's go, let's do it. Whereas if you're feeling fluffy, sometimes you're just like, it's over, it's the end, I'm going to eat anything I can. There's already 250 grams of soy milk and water, or milliliter, whichever one, I think it's about the same. And I've got a scoop of flavourless shake, and then we're going to go 2 spoonfuls of peanut butter powder. I keep banging on about this, but it's been absolutely great, man. 2 tablespoons gives you an extra 8 grams of protein. So already I've got about 8 grams, 22, 38 grams. So I'm getting 38 grams of protein in here for very little calories, very little calories. It's ridiculous not to be doing protein shakes. I haven't actually done many in the past. I always forget, but I've been quite on it for the last 6 to 8 months. So it's a no-brainer, low calorie, high protein, more bang for the buck. So give that a shake. And the trick is I'm going to drink that and then get back to you. So it's a one-way ticket to Shredsville. The reason I've just done that is because I've had my shake and I feel full. You know when you order food and you order too much because your eyes are too big for your belly, and then you eat it, you get to the second part and you're like, oh, I can't eat that, or you're forcing it. That's exactly why I've just done that. I want to eat 600 calories, which is what I was going to eat roughly for, I don't know, 35 grams of protein. I've switched that for the shake and I've got all that protein for 200 calories. Now I'm going to cook the tempeh salad, and I probably ain't going to eat it because I'm full from the shake. Now all of a sudden I'm 400 calories better off, and I've still got my protein, still feeling good, still feeling full, and I can either eat this now or eat it later tonight. So it's 400 calories in the kitty. So we've got tempeh in the bowl, chuck some piccolato tomatoes in, or whatever you call it. Then we got some red onion, stick that in there like that. Now we've got red cabbage, give it a mix around. Probably a bit too much red cabbage, but I do loves it. Bit of spring onion, get that in. Then we've got sesame seeds, bit of garlic, a tablespoon of crispy onion, and then we've got this Sabra hummus, and I'll give it a tablespoon like that with all the nuts on. Slap it in the bowl, give it a mix around. Way less calorie than the one I craved in the first place, because when you're not hungry, you tend not to cook the high calorie food. I'm already full because I've had the shake and I've tricked myself. I've gone, hang on a bit. I know if I feel full, I'm not going to crave the bread and stuff like that. And now I've got a really low calorie, high protein meal to go. Now, don't get me wrong, I could tuck into that right now. I'm buzzing to eat that, but like I said, I'm quite full. I've tricked my body. I've just hit loads of protein anyway, and I'm probably going to wrap that up, put it in the fridge, leave it in the fridge to marinate with a little bit of salt and pepper, and some nooch. I forgot the nooch. Get me more protein. 1 tablespoon of nooch. In fact, no, we're going to have 2 tablespoons of nooch. So yeah, give that a mix round, bit of salt and pepper into the fridge. And now we've got a nice healthy protein meal, because I tricked myself. I did not need that high calorie meal. I did not need it. And away we go. That's ready for later. Beautiful. So yeah, there's a little trick for you. Hope it works. When you want to shred fat and keep it low. Already today I've had 35, 38. And then with that tempeh salad, that's going to be another 35. I've still got all day and all night to get a bit more in, but I don't need any more than that. And that is how you get a one-way ticket to Shredsville. I've got 2 spaces left on the coaching package, in which you get a coaching service and 12 or 20 meal preps delivered to your door. There's 20% off. Out of 5 spaces, I've got 2 left. Emma has just took the 3rd one, so hopefully I can post a bit of her story soon. And if you want to get in touch for any questions, drop an email, drop a message, drop a comment. Thanks for watching. You are not the one true savage.